They know where the food is.
Yeah.
So they're eating bread?
Yeah, sometimes bread, but the most of the times they love watermelon or chili, pepper.
Oh, peppers.
Everyone is coupled. This one, that one, that one, these two, but this one and that one, they broke.
Broke up?
Yeah.
A little argument? Oh, okay.
They just
You should
take
get
the
them back.
time.
You should get them back together. Wow. Do parrots like bite? Will they bother you if you bother them?
But these birds bite really, really hard.
Is there more birds under here?
Yeah, this one is like the little one. Those are very common here.
So you all didn't find these are native to the area?
Yes, and we protect these birds too. And for this bird, it's better to be here than this breed because it's a very expensive bird.
Oh.
So in Mexico, everything happens.
So if they were free,
What we don't do for them to fly is we take all the birds very far from here, no very far, but about a mile, and we let it go, and they come back flying here.
oh.
So it's